Good morning, children. As from today, our online classes are again started. In SST, now we will prepare for our final examination. So, in this video, we will deal with the first chapter which is coming in your final exam. Chapter 14, Solar System. Open page number 112 in your SST book. Solar system. In Hindi, we used to say Saur Mandal, in which there are star, planet, galaxy, constellations, and many more things. And in this chapter, we are going to read about all these things like sun, different planets, satellites, Milky Way galaxy, constellation, etc. So, look at the picture below and tick the object that you see in the sky. You can see there are so many pictures here. Picture 1 is of different stars. So, we will tick over this yellow box because we see stars in the sky. In the next picture, you can see there is a sun. So, we will also tick here because we see the sun in the sky. Next is a bus. So we'll put a cross mark over here because we never see the bus in the sky. Now come to the universe. Universe, which we mean Brahmand. Look at the sky at night. It looks so beautiful. Whenever we look the sky at night, we see that the sky is looking so beautiful. The sky looks like a black blanket studded with diamonds and one shining crystal ball. And whenever we see the sky at night, it looks like a blanket which we call chadar, kambal, etc. It looks like a black blanket in which there are small diamonds, which diamonds are the stars, as stars are twinkling in the sky at night. And there is also one shining crystal ball, एक चमकीला सा बॉल जैसा चीज हमें दिखता है, which is a moon. So at night we see the moon and the twinkling stars in the sky. These twinkling diamonds are the stars and the crystal ball is the moon. So, in the sky, these twinkling diamonds are the stars and the crystal ball which is shining at night is the moon. During the day, you can see a huge ball of fire which we call the sun, and in the daytime we can see, you can also see in the picture, a huge ball of fire which gives us light, energy and heat. We also see the sun in the sky at the daytime. All the natural objects that we see in the sky are called heavenly bodies. And whatever the natural objects means the objects which we have not made. It is automatically provided by the nature. So all the natural objects that we see in the sky every day is the heavenly bodies. And our earth, sun, moon, planets, stars, everything is called the heavenly bodies. All the heavenly bodies are a part of this universe, and all the heavenly bodies are the part of this universe. ये जितने भी चीज़ों को हम स्काई में देखते हैं वो हमारे ब्रह्मांड का ही एक पार्ट है. The part of the sky that we are able to see is a very small part of a universe, and sky एक छोटा सा बस पार्ट है उस यूनिवर्स का. Our universe is a large and an unimaginable expanse of dust, gas, stars, clouds, galaxies and life. And हमारा जो पूरा ब्रह्मांड है, all the entire universe को हम imagine भी नहीं कर सकते कि वो कितना बड़ा है. उसमें डस्ट होता है, गैसेस आर देयर, स्टार्स आर देयर, क्लाउड्स जिसे हम बादल बोलते हैं, गैलेक्सीज जिसमें इसको हम हिंदी में आकाशगंगा बोलते हैं, और हमारा खुद का लाइफ भी उसी यूनिवर्स में एग्जिस्ट करता है. तो what we have read, that at night the star looks so beautiful and we see so many things in the sky like star, moon, sun, clouds, etc. And all the natural objects that we see in the sky are the heavenly bodies. As questions may be there that what are heavenly bodies, give example. So you have to say that all the natural objects that we see in the sky is called heavenly bodies like sun, moon, planets, etc. So children, in this video only this introduction part is there. Your homework is you have to write down what are the things you see in the sky, and question number 2, what are heavenly bodies, give examples. I will text you in the WhatsApp the homework in written criteria, and just read the chapter till page number 122, the universe. Thank you.